If you work with copy or presentations, this will change your workflow immediately. Watch this workflow jump from slow to instant. Real before after. No filler, just results. HyperWrite plus Gamma, the fastest copy slides combo. Drafting takes forever. Building slides takes even longer. 2 steps, both slow, both draining your time. Let's fix the writing first. This is where HyperWrite takes over. Before, our product is good and people like it. Flat. Safe. No punch. Watch how the tone shifts instantly. After, show customers exactly how your product improves their day, with clarity and confidence. Stronger. Cleaner. Ready to publish. That's the HyperWrite upgrade. Now let's move to slides. This is where Gamma accelerates everything. Before, 3 reasons why teams should use AI tools. Just text. No design. Zero structure. Gamma converts it into slides in seconds. Title slide, clean and bold. 3 bullet slide, organized and visual. Summary slide, tight and presentation ready. Copy gets polished. Slides get built. 1 workflow, 0 resistance. This is how you cut your creation time in half. Try HyperWrite and Gamma for free.